This Ducati 1098.
I'm sorry, what's he doing?
It's a Ducati 1098. I'd like to put it forward to go on the board. In fact, I'd like to put it in the cool. I seriously, no, there's every reason why this is a very, very cool bike. It's an Italian superbike, but it isn't just technically very, very clever. It also looks beautiful.
Motorcycle.
Touched a nerve there, I think. Did that touch a nerve? I may
Do not put a motorcycle on the board. Now look what's happened.
I'm sensing disagreement from you.
Run or you'll be a lot shorter.
I'm gonna...